Good, welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm gonna go over our friend Ethereum, currently sitting at 1610, down 0.54 on the day, sitting a market cap of 194 billion, 24-hour volume 18.37 billion. If you're new to Bybit, my favorite exchange for trading, $4,000 blast off bonus for 13 more days, $25 welcome bonus, and zero fees on all spot trading pairs until December 31st. You can sign up for up to $4,500 in bonuses through my link in the top of the comments if you'd like to. Let's hop into the charts. So what we're looking at, we saw a perfect wave 2 rejection. Now I think we're coming down in a wave 3, and right now we're putting in the wave 1 of the wave 3. So we've come down in a wave 1. Here's your wave 2 pullback, wave 3. We've already met a target for a wave 4. So if we were to get rejected by this zone, now micro counting can be inaccurate, but you can take your trend base for extension from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3. If this were to be the level we get rejected from, a wave 5 target would be the 618 at 1496 for ETH. If we do complete a 5-wave move, more confirmation that we are coming down in a wave 3. All right, guys, the bullish scenario, the one that's left, in my opinion, is that we put in a wave 1. This is a regular ABC correction. Within a wave C is a 5-wave move, which we're currently put in the wave 1, the wave 2, and possibly now coming down in a wave 3, see a wave 4, see a wave 5. However, we'd have to see a very short wave 3 as the wave 3 target, as I showed you guys yesterday. I believe it was around 700. I'll show you guys on the next chart here. So that's the bullish count. That's the only one that remains, in my opinion. But of course, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So the wave count that I think is likely here is we've put in a wave 4 pullback with the WXY, and now we're coming down in a 1-2, and your wave 3 target is all the way down here at 786, because if you take that trend based fib extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom to the top of wave 2, your 1.618 extension is actually down at about 829 for a potential wave 3 to the downside. See a wave 4 and a final wave 5 to bring you down in between that 5 to 650 target. That's what I think is the likely scenario. We saw a perfect wave 2 rejection here, and I think we're now starting to come down in a wave 3. The merge is in 11 hours. Where are all my moon boys who have been in my comment section for the last 2 weeks ripping me to shreds for saying that the price is going to go down, telling me I don't know what I'm talking about because the merge is coming up and the price is going to pump to the moon, 10,000, 8,000 new all-time highs? I don't think so. We might see a little bit of a bounce, but personally, I don't think you're going to see anything. We already saw a dump to the downside right before the merge. Buy the rumors, sell the news, and now we're just consolidating. So if we push up a little bit, everyone's going to be like, the merge, everybody buy, thinking it's going to go to the moon. Think about all the moon boys that have been buying, and the whales are going to take advantage. All right, guys, that's just my opinion, not financial advice. So this is what I'm looking at for ETH. If we look at this chart here, as I mentioned before, we had that head and shoulders, but we broke above the right shoulder. But of course, you could still call this a head and shoulders if you want to. This is why I don't trade patterns, but I do like to bring them to your guys' awareness. So potentially we could still see a head and shoulders if that were to break down. Quickly drop a target from the neckline, could bring you down here, take you all the way down to about 1150. We once again got rejected by this rectangle level of resistance where we previously had support, some support and resistance in this area. So that was a major level, and we saw a strong rejection off that level. So I do think we're going to put in a lower low. If we were to come up and break these highs, we'd have to be looking at some sort of bullish count. But I really don't think it's likely at all. As of right now, it looks like we're putting in a lower high. We come down and we break this low, then we'll be putting in a lower low as well. So we'll have to see what happens over the course of the next couple weeks. But the merge is happening in 11 hours and 11 minutes. Lucky number here. But personally, I don't think it's really going to affect the price at all at this point. So that's basically it for this little update. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. Currently locked in some gains here on a Bitcoin short position. It's $10 a month. Check it out through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.